Hey, welcome to 4x Trail. I'm Caleb and we're working on the 4Runner today, installing a couple of crossbars from Victory 4x4. Cool company that I'm trying one of their products for the first time here, but they make full platform racks similar to the Prinsu style racks for the Toyotas. And today I just got their two of their crossbars, which are the same style that they use on their platform rack. They're flat, wider crossbars that supposedly mount up to the factory rails, so it's a real clean, low profile deal, and I'm hoping they work to transfer the Roofnest from the Jeep over to the 4Runner. Mainly I'm concerned about the depth, like if there's enough room, because they are low profile, if there's enough room to get under there and put the brackets on to hold the Roofnest on. But yeah, this should be a pretty simple install, and mainly just a shout out to Victory 4x4. I'm not sponsored by them. I purchased these crossbars, but they're a cool company because they're making a really nice product at a good price. So check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Nice. Couple decals. Looks like the mounting hardware. Some tabs. Yeah, should be pretty easy. So the first step is removing the end caps on the factory side rails. That's simple, just pry tool to get those off. You go from the outside first and then tilt the cap in and they pop right off. And that exposes the end of the rail, which allows for the carriage bolt to be slid in from the end. Until I hauled a straw bale up here not too long ago. But yeah, that exposes the end of that rail, and that's where you'll slide the carriage bolts in that hold the two cross members. Pretty easy. Man, I gotta get that cleaned up. How about that? You can see as long as the bolts are loose, it slides really nice and easily. You can adjust to the right width. And look at this. So this, these are the brackets for the bottom of the tent, and it's almost like it was made for the width of that. It fits perfectly, and if anything, I'll have to just shave off a little bit of the bolt to fit a nut under there, but that is gonna be just about perfect to mount that tent up. Mission accomplished. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on these crossbars. Very easy install, great product. Make sure you're subscribed. Got some more content coming up here on the channel I'm excited about. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.